Hi guys! Good morning guys! So guys, nanasag ko na rin dapita guys. Vistomar, Lapu-Lapu guys. And we have here a 308 square m lot only available guys. So behind me, so this is the lot guys. So this is a corner unit available in Vistamar. So guys, this subdivision is beside a beach front. Ang subdivision nagkupot ni siya og beach front guys. So walking distance ra ni sa Crimson. And guys, so very exclusive subdivision guys. So nahan diha guys, that's the Crimson na guys, kana Crimson Beach Resort. So so guys, if you want a lot only, na you want to build a house here na walking distance lang sa beach, just message me guys. Mag-jogging ka diri, fresh air kaayo guys. So daghan na kayo balay diri nga gitukod because this is a very exclusive subdivision. And then kanang this is sold guys in a very reasonable price. So guys, ganahan ka mag-design imong own house and lot. So buy lot here in Cebu na guys, while this is still affordable. Okay? So guys, for any property concerns, buy, rent, or sell, just message me. Thank you for watching guys. God bless. Bye-bye. Always remember, love begins at home. God bless.